Welcome to qnawire.
You can tell when a function is increasing when it is going uphill left to right. So in number 14, at an x value of 3, this begins to happen. So we would say from 3, not included, you never include them when for intervals of increase and decrease. We don't go up or down at a specific point, but then that would go to infinity. It's decreasing when we're reading it left to right from negative infinity to to positive 3. I'll go ahead and do this with number 15 as well since it's the same topic. It's going to be increasing when it's going uphill, so that's going to be what I'm highlighting in green, left to right. And that's happening from negative infinity to negative 3. Actually, that looks like negative 2. And let me get a better look at this. I don't know, that'd be negative 1. So from negative infinity to negative 1, and then from 1 to infinity. And then decreasing in between, so that would be an x value of negative 1 to 1. Again, not including either of them. Next, we want to know when is the function positive. It's positive when it's above the x-axis. So from negative infinity to 2, and since it's not or equal to, we're not going to include it, and from 4 to infinity. And in our second graph, it's positive in the regions that I'm highlighting. To describe it would be from negative 2 to 0, and then from 2 to infinity. And it's negative in the regions that's below the x-axis. So in the first graph, it's between 2 and 4. And then the second graph from negative infinity to negative 2, and then 0 to 2.